Here I have ULEFONE Note 13P, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open Contacts application. Then you have to tap here on three stripes, go to its settings, and here select import. Then select where you want to import them, where from. So let's import the contacts from SIM card. Then you have to select where to you want to save them. You can save them on your email or just on device. Here you can select contacts which you want to import and tap import, and these contacts will appear in our contacts list somewhere here. I have a lot of contacts, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.